It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The M-Class has been renamed, and with the new moniker comes even more performance, luxury, and safety. The body has been tweaked with a twin power dome hood, redesigned headlights with LED daytime running lamps, sculpted fenders, and full LED tail lamps. The premium interior lighting, sunroof, polished wood trim, and hand-fitted upholstery invite you into a world of luxury, while Bluetooth and the command system with touchpad controller keep you informed and entertained. And while you're enjoying the quiet and comfortable ride, this GLE is always on alert for unexpected moments with attention assist, crosswind assist, and pre-safe plus, which instantly prepares your vehicle for an accident.
Let your music envelop the cabin with the Harman Kardon sound system. Leave your driving gloves at home thanks to the heated steering wheel. Control the road with all-wheel drive.
The premium SUV that started it all has a new name, but the same attention to detail. Come experience this GLE today.
Visit us online at tafelmotors.com. Call or stop in at 4156 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. A memorable experience awaits.